Children, good morning children. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine. Okay, and we have finished our first lesson. In the previous class, we have finished our first lesson workbook part. Yes children, you have to write in the classwork, lesson number 1. Okay, in the classwork from your workbook, short answer questions, 12th one, 13th one and 18th one. This you have to write in the classwork children. In the classwork we have written the new words, 20 new words, isn't it? You have to write in the classwork. Okay children? Yes children, we have finished our first lesson, classwork, workbook part, reading and everything. And we have in the previous class we have finished our second lesson also. We didn't complete it. Okay children? Yes. In the previous class what we learned, our name of the lesson is the shape of the earth, the rotation and the revolution. Yes, the movements of the earth and the shape of the earth we learned. And now in our class we are going to learn more about the earth. Okay, in the olden days people believed that the earth was flat. When we stand in an open field, how does the earth look like? Yes, earth looks like flat. It looks like flat. But we know that the earth is shaped somewhat like a ball. In the ancient time, people thought that if they keep sailing in one direction, going in one direction for a long time, they would fall down to the edge of the earth. Okay children? Okay? An explorer named Ferdinand Magellan began sailing from the West Spain with his team. He started traveling from sailing with the West Spain, and then he went towards the west until they came back to the same place. Where they started. Their journey showed that it is not possible to fall off the earth. He is telling that it is not possible to fall off the earth. And it was proved that the earth is round in shape. It is not flat and it is round in shape. He proved that. Okay children? Yes, the line where the sky and the earth appear to meet is called the horizon. Children, take your textbook, your social textbook, page number 8. The line where the sky, see in this picture children, the sky and the earth appear to, we are feeling that it is meeting here, that is horizon. Yes children? And we can see with the binoculars. This is what children? What is this? It is a binocular. The far, which is very far, we can see by this very near. It appears to be near. Yes children? Okay? Yes, when we use binocular to look at the shapes at the sea, they appear to sink below the horizon. Yes, the ISS means it is the full form that International Space Station orbits the earth from a distance about, it is 350 kilometers from the earth curve. Curve means is this curve. Okay children, of the earth can be seen. Okay children? An astronaut can see the complete shape of the earth from the moon, from space. The moon is an average distance, means from the moon. It is how much children? It is, okay? Yes, the moon, the distance of the moon away from the earth is children 3,84,400 kilometers. Okay children? And take your textbook, page number 9. Here, HOTS. These questions you have to write children in your textbook. Beside this, the answer you have to write. You have to complete this. Okay children? Yes children, take the textbook, page number 10. Okay? See the textbook, the picture. Okay children? The picture Earthrise. It shows the view of the Earth from the moon's surface. See this picture, children. Yes, and it was shot by William Andrews. It is one of the most famous picture in the history of the space travel in 1968. Okay, children. Ferdinand. Children, open your textbooks, children. Page number 8. Understanding part. First proof of the Earth's shape. When we stand in an open field, the Earth looks flat, but we know that the Earth is shaped somewhat like a ball. Then, why does it appear flat to us? In ancient times, people believed that the Earth was flat. They thought that if they kept sailing in one direction for a long time, they would fall off the edge of the earth. Many years ago, an explorer named Ferdinand Magellan began sailing west from Spain. He, along with his team, continued sailing towards the west until they came back to the same place from where they started. Their journey showed that it was not possible to fall off the earth. Thus, it was proved that the earth is round in shape. Application: ways to prove the earth's shape. The following ways can be used to see the curved shape of the earth. From the earth's surface, the line where the sky and the earth appear to meet is called the horizon. When we use binoculars to look at ships at sea, they appear to sink below. The horizon. As they sail away from us, they go across the curve of the Earth's surface from a great height. The International Space Station ISS orbits the Earth from a distance of about 350 kilometers. From this distance, the curve of the Earth can be seen. From space, an astronaut can see the complete shape of the Earth from the moon or from space. This is because the moon is at an average distance of 3,84,400 kilometers away from the Earth. Okay, children? After writing the first lesson answers, children, in your classwork, open your classwork, you have to write in the classwork the new words. Okay? Second lesson, the name of the lesson. Children, in the classwork, you have to write the name of lesson number, the name of the lesson, the shape of the earth. The first one, new words. Astronomer, astronomer. Discovered, discovered. Okay, children? Spherical, spherical. Axis, axis. Orbit, orbit. Rotation, rotation. Revolution, revolution. Movement, movement. Causes, causes. Seasons, seasons. Explorer, explorer, explorer. Okay, children? Ferdinand Magellan, Ferdinand Magellan. Okay? Horizon, binocular, binocular. Distance, distance. Astronaut, astronaut. Direction, direction. Imaginary, imaginary. Curved, curved. Space, space. Okay, children? Here in the page you have to draw with the scale and write here. Again in the next page, draw a line and write here 1, 2, 3, 4 times it becomes. Okay? And the next one also, draw a line and write here in the next page. Again, draw a line with the scale 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children? Children, you have to write in the classwork the first lesson 3 answers. Yes. And after writing this, the second lesson, lesson number 2, the new words. I have given the new words. 20 words I have given. You have to complete. Okay, children, don't waste your time and complete your works whichever we are going to give. Okay, children?